Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into President Biden's strategic move to ease hydrogen tax credit rules in an effort to invigorate the sector ahead of former President Trump's initiatives. We'll also explore the best and worst performing S&P 500 stocks during a promising year for the index, and discuss oil's strong start to the new year fueled by optimism over China's economic rebound. In tech news, AI stocks are on the rise following a collaboration announcement between NVIDIA and Cerence. We'll highlight Viking Therapeutics as it emerges as a potential buyout candidate according to Oppenheimer. Additionally, we'll cover President Biden awarding the Medal of Freedom to 19 distinguished individuals including Hillary Clinton, George Soros, and David Rubenstein. The administration is also making headlines by asking the Supreme Court to reject Trump's attempt to pause a TikTok ban while planning a significant ban on new oil and gas drilling across large U.S. coastal territories. Stay tuned after this short ad break for more in-depth coverage on these stories. The Biden administration has relaxed rules on a tax credit for clean hydrogen production, according to Bloomberg. This adjustment, from the 2022 Inflation Reduction Act, includes a specific exemption that was previously requested.
The S&P 500 index rose more than 20% in 2024, marking its second straight year of such gains, a milestone last reached 27 years ago. This increase was driven by Federal Reserve interest rate cuts and the U.S. presidential election.
Crude oil futures rose for the fifth straight session, closing the week near a three-month high. This increase is driven by optimism about possible extra economic stimulus in China, the world's largest crude importer, as we start the new year.
AI-focused stocks surged on Friday after Cerence Artificial Intelligence revealed an expanded partnership with NVIDIA. Cerence, recognized for its AI virtual assistants in transportation, experienced a share price increase of over 100% following the announcement.
Ahead of the 2025 J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference, Oppenheimer identified 5 biotech companies as potential buyout targets. One of these is Viking Therapeutics, an obesity drug developer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker VKTX.
President Biden has announced 19 recipients of the Medal of Freedom, the nation's highest civilian award. Among the honorees are former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, investor and philanthropist George Soros, and Carlyle Group co-founder and co-chair David Rubenstein.
The Biden administration has asked the Supreme Court to reject Donald Trump's effort to delay a law banning TikTok in the U.S. unless its Chinese owner sells it. The Supreme Court will hear arguments on this issue.
President Joe Biden plans to ban new offshore oil and gas projects in large U.S. coastal regions, as reported by Bloomberg. Sources familiar with the decision suggest this marks a major change in energy policy.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights that drive success. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.